Hey guys, look! I see a bag over there, at the end of the hallway.
Great. Let's quickly grab it and try to find more. Now how does that make sense?
Well, let's not think about that. Instead, think of how we're going to get to the other side.
Game Boy Color, it's time for you to be useful for once. Now go get the bag. Okay. Oh, wait guys, that's a chocolate 3DS. Game Boy Color, what are you doing? Grab the bag! What? Hold on, I'm charging my 3DS. Just chill, will ya? Oh my god, just grab the stupid bag!
Platinum Ball, calm down. Just let me take care of it. There we go. See? That was easy.
Ugh, about time. Well, maybe if you were more useful, then we would have gotten it quicker. But, you didn't even help Eve. Gosh, some people these days think they can just do nothing. But...
You know, Milk, I've got to say, I was really impressed with you for your last challenge. If it weren't for you, you would have lost.
Oh, it was nothing. But I really gotta thank Bottle for believing in me.
Come on, Milk. It was nothing. Really.
No, it really meant a lot to me. Because I didn't believe in myself. But you did.
Well, I'm glad I was of use.
Hey guys, look! There's a bag over there.
Good find. Let's grab it.
Huh? Wow, there must be a strong breeze in here.
I don't think that's the case. To my knowledge, this facility has no windows.
Come on, guys. Let's stop questioning why the door closed and just go in. You see? Nothing's here. Now let's grab the... What the heck is that?
Run!
Man, I've been walking around for who knows how long and I haven't even found a single bag. What the? Come on, you stupid piece of garbage, work! Ugh, there we go. Huh? What are these? God! Ah!
What happened back there? I'm not sure, but let's keep running. But why? Oh, I never really thought about it. Oh, no, that's stupid.
What even was that thing? Wait, is that Mallet?
Oh, my head. Huh? Globe, can you watch where you're going? Whoa, that was so cool. Come on, get up, Wimp. There, see?
Man, you really hit me hard.
Well, stop complaining. Let's go.
Wait.
What is it?
Don't go. I want to come with.
Why would we want to help you?
Well, you were running from a monster too, right?
Yeah. Why?
Well, it's really dangerous in here, and I think it would be best if we stick together.
I guess.
Hey, okay, can I talk to you?
Okay.
You don't really think we can trust this guy, do you?
Kind of feel bad for the guy. He's weak, but he's volunteered to go by himself. He's got guts to do that sort of thing.
Okay, fine, but if he betrays us, I'm blaming you.
Okay.
Hey, Globe, get over here!
What is it?
We decided to bring you with us, but if you try anything to screw with us, you'll be sorry.
Okay, I won't let you guys down.
I'm already regretting this.
Wait, what's even the purpose of this room anyway? What's that gonna do?
Quick! Everyone jump for it!
Come on, Ball! Jump!
I can't. It's too far of a jump. I'm scared.
Don't worry, I'll catch you. I won't let you fall.
Okay.
See? I told you I wouldn't let you fall.
Thank you, Post-it note.
No problem. Let's continue onwards.
I thought I couldn't make that jump.
Bottom! Okay, enough. No, quick! Let's wait for our captain.
Okay.
Finally, it's gone. Quick, let's grab Bottom and get out of here.
Bubble Wrap? Bubble Wrap, wake up!
Ah!
Oh, sorry for scaring you. Are you okay?
I'm fine. But what happened?
Well, the lights went out and you fainted, and I carried you to get away from whatever was in the room with us.
Oh, well, thanks.
No problem. Now come on, let's find some bags.
Okay.
Bubble Wrap, is something wrong?
It's just, well, I thought you were supposed to be more social with people and make friends, but so far, I've barely interacted with anyone at all.
Well, don't worry. For starters, I can be your friend.
Wow, really? Thanks!
Don't sweat it. All right, Bubble Wrap. Which room should we check?
Wait, you're asking me? What if I choose a room and something bad happens to us?
What? Nothing bad is going to happen to us. You're just over-exaggerating.
Okay, then. Let's choose that one.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, there might be a bag in that trash can over there. Yes, I found it. Here you go, you guys can have it.
Really? Thanks.
No problem. It's the least I can do for you guys for helping me out.
Yeah, whatever. Let's just keep walking. Hey, look! There's a bag! Yes! We are so gonna win this!
I think you should give that one to Globe since he helped us.
And lose the challenge? No way! Ever since you let this guy help us out, you've been becoming a real softie. He's just probably using us so he can win for himself. He's a little dirty thief. There's something good about him.
That's not true. You don't even know him.
Maybe so, but I know that he's softening you up. You're becoming weak, just like him.
Just give me the bag and there won't be any problems.
No!
Give it to me!
Guys, stop fighting. Guys, turn around!
Oh, crap!
Ugh, this is so boring. I can't even find a stupid bag. I guess I'll check in here. Oh my god. My eyeliner's messed up. Well, I can fix that later. Ah! What the heck is your problem, basketball?
Come on, it was just a little scare.
You scared me half to death.
Jeez, calm down, it was just a joke.
God, you're such a jerk.
Me? What about you? You're a jerk as well.
Well, I'm not as bad as you. You have to get your ass together sooner or later.
Whatever.
Ah! What the heck? Why are they so scared?
Oh, I think that's why.
Ah! What the heck was that? I don't know.
Quick, up to that elevator up ahead! Oh no, it's a dead end!
Wow, the architect of this place did a terrible job at designing this building.
Ukulele, I'm sorry about this. This is all my fault. If I hadn't chosen that door, we would have been in this situation.
Don't beat yourself up for that. We didn't know this would happen. It could have happened to anyone.
Look, I got us into this mess. I have to get us out of it.
Bubble wrap, no! You don't have to!
All right, you. Just get back. I'm warning you.
Bubble wrap, help me!
Hey, let go of her!
Bubble wrap, you saved me! You did it!
Yeah, you're a hero.
Even I have to admit, that was pretty brave of you.
Wow, you're right. I guess I've been through it.
You sure did, and I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Ukulele. That really means a lot.
No problem. Now let's get out of here.
My head. Where am I? And how did I get here? Property of Mr. H? Who's Mr. H? Unless... no. Can't be. It's...
Mr. Hand? Yes, it's me.
You're in another dimension. How are you able to communicate with me?
I have my way.
Well, don't think of planning anything. If you being that dimension, you're harmless.
Oh, Journal. Clueless Journal. You just think that, but soon enough, one day, I will return.
Yeah, sure. Whoa! 6 bags? We're definitely gonna win! But how am I gonna get these to my team? Ugh! Come on! The challenge ended a while ago! Where are the contestants?
What if something bad happened to them?
Come on, Santa Hat. My tough are not that dangerous. I'm sure they're fine. Not again! Come on, Matt! What's wrong with you?
Us? What's wrong with you having dangerous monsters wandering the building trying to kill us?
Monsters? What are you talking about?
What do you mean? There were... Never mind.
Anyway, it's time to see which team won the challenge. Team Question Mark has a total of 4 bags, Team H only has 2 bags, and Team 47 have only 1 bag. So I guess Team Question Mark wins and Team 47 lost.
Our team only got 2 bags? That's actually sad. Why did you care? You didn't even help us.
What happened, you guys? Weren't you looking for bags at all?
Well, I don't see you with a bag, and at least I got one for the team. So I guess that wraps up the challenge. Not so fast. What the? Where did you come from? You know what? I don't care right now. So with this unexpected twist, Team 47 have won, thanks to Journal.
Wow, great job, Journal.
And because of that, teammates are the losers, and will be facing elimination for the 2nd time in a row.
Not again!
So viewers, vote someone on teammates to be eliminated, and do not vote in the comments. Use the polls in the description below to vote.